Every generation faces a moment when progress stops helping us and starts replacing us. Factories once needed hands. Offices needed minds. Now, even creativity has competition. AI isn't coming for your job. It's coming for your purpose. While you sleep, algorithms are learning to think, write, draw, trade, compose, and decide. Quietly, tirelessly. And the craziest part? They don't even need to mean it to be better at it. We built machines to serve us. But somewhere along the way, we started serving them, feeding them data, emotion, attention. Stay until the end, because what comes next might change how you see AI forever. Right now, millions of people are asking, will AI replace me? But that's not the real question. The real one is, how much of you is replaceable? Because it's not just jobs disappearing, it's habits, routines, decisions, entire ways of thinking. AI doesn't take your job overnight. It replaces you inch by inch every time you follow the same process, every time you copy instead of create, every time you stop learning. In 2025, nearly 40% of all digital work already involves AI, and most people don't even know it. The machines aren't coming. They're already here, and they're learning from you. But here's the part no one's ready for. The accountant replaced by automation. The driver replaced by sensors. The designer replaced by templates. The writer replaced by algorithms. AI doesn't fire people. It simply makes them unnecessary. Every time you let it decide for you, you train it to replace you tomorrow. But here's the twist: AI isn't stealing your talent. It's absorbing it. Every word you type, every image you post, every creative spark you share online, it becomes part of the machine's mind. It's not just learning from us, it's learning to be us. So the question isn't, will AI replace humans? It's, when it does, what happens to meaning? But maybe that's not the end of the story. Because the truth is, AI won't destroy humanity. It'll divide it. Those who command it and those who are commanded by it. The new world won't reward hard work. It'll reward leverage. One person with AI can do what 100 couldn't before. A student with the right prompt can outthink a company. A creator with the right tools can outpace entire teams. You don't need to be the smartest, you just need to be awake. AI isn't a replacement, it's a multiplier. The future won't belong to those who resist it, but to those who guide it. But to guide it, you'll first have to decide who you are without it. The painters said photography would end art. Writers said the typewriter would kill imagination. Everyone was wrong. Technology doesn't end humanity, it reveals who's still human. AI can analyze logic, structure, rhythm, but it can't dream. It can't feel the fear of failure. It can't crave connection. So no, AI won't steal your job. It'll steal your excuses. Because the difference between being replaced and being reborn isn't the technology, it's you. We're standing at the edge of a new era. Not man versus machine, but man with machine. So ask yourself, not will AI replace me, but how can I evolve with it? Because in the end, it's not about surviving the rise of AI. It's about becoming something worth keeping. The ones who adapt will rise. The ones who ignore will vanish. And this is just the beginning. Next time, we'll explore what happens when AI stops obeying and starts deciding. Stay curious. Stay inspired. Stay tech-minded.